Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name's Sierra and today I'm going to show you how to use the patterns feature in Design Space. So what I'm talking about is you see how this heart is this beautiful swirl of looks like roses instead of just black or white or just a single color. It's actually a pattern, and you can use this to create stickers, decals, or you can even use it for printable HTV, so printable iron-on. For those that are new to the industry and aren't sure what HTV is heat transfer vinyl or iron-on. So I'm going to show you how to get this look, okay? First, I would like to go ahead and invite you to subscribe to my channel. You absolutely should, because I have lots of shorter tutorials like this one for Design Space for you guys so that you can better yourself at understanding the program as well as creating some really, really fun stuff without the headache of having to go through Google and multiple YouTube videos and just the headaches, that I went through in the very beginning. Yes, there are a lot of videos out there helping you, but I tried to do the no BS thing and make sure that I get straight to the point. So go ahead, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you know that when I am on or when I have posted a new video. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this pattern feature here. So I've already got a pattern selected, but if I hadn't, it would look like this. It would just be a plain black heart, right? Don't want that. I want something really fun for this picture. So what I'm going to do is select the image that I want to make a pattern. And from there, I'm going to go up here to the toolbar at the top. So it's right below where it has your project name, your maker, your make it, your canvas, your home screen, all of that. You'll see the two arrows, undo, redo, line type, a color box, fill, and a color box. So you want it to be on print. Now, when you do this, notice over here on this side that it becomes a cut print, which means, I don't know why they do it that way, but it should be print cut because you have to print it and then cut it. All right, so you cannot just, your machine is not going to print for you. You have to actually have a printer for this feature. So you're going to do a print then cut feature. I do have a video on that as well, so go ahead and if you're not familiar with how that works, go ahead watch that one too. So we've got our print selected up here in the top left. From here, you're going to go over to the color box for the print feature. You see print type, you have color, all of your colors, the advanced coloring, which if you have a specific number that you're looking for, and pattern. So right here from the drop down where it says print type, you have color and then you have pattern. Here you're going to select pattern. When you do that, you can just scroll through and find whatever pattern suits you or whatever pattern you like the most. There's a ton in here. I'm like hundreds, and then you can add your own as well, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and select one just to show you what they look like. I like this one too. I also like this. Pretty fun. You can just select any of them that you like. Some you'll notice have a line in them. Let's see if I can find one that would be a good example here. No, but I like this one. So some you'll see where the pattern ends and it restarts. So what you can do is you can go over to edit pattern in the bottom left hand corner of that box. Whoopsie. Might help if I didn't go so fast. See, as you're scrolling down at the bottom, it says edit pattern right there. You can scale it back to 75. Oh, not 175. I mean, if you wanted 175, you could do that. But this one has words in it, so I really want to make it bigger. So we'll go up to 200, see what that does. I don't want to do any of that. Maybe go up to 300. Now you can see all the words. How fun is that? All right, I actually really like that one. I didn't know it had all the words in it. I thought it was just a bunch of squigglies. So go ahead and play around with it. Make sure that you see what exactly is in it before you decide which one you want to use. And then the other cool thing that I spoke about is you can upload patterns as well. I currently don't have any patterns to upload, but I'll show you how to do it. So basically you just go to your upload button on your left-hand toolbar over here. You select upload. Actually, this is one that I uploaded, this Pride one here. Upload pattern, browse, and let's see if I can find this one again to show you how to do it. Here we go. No, it wouldn't be there. It would be under downloads. Pride. Nope. Oh man, where did it go? I'm not seeing it. But basically, you would just go in and find a pattern that you like. I'll just scroll down here. LMNOP. Sometimes I can't spell. Am I the only one? Yeah, it's not here either. I don't know where it went. Goodness. This is crazy. All right. Either way, this is where you would select, hit open, and it would upload. Same as you upload your pictures. Literally the exact same process, but it's a pattern, not an image. So that is how you upload your patterns. And then once you've uploaded them, you can go back to your canvas and go back up here to your print type, and it'll be in here. It can be kind of difficult to find if you don't add all of the features to it. So actually, you know what? Gonna make the video a little bit longer just so that I can show you exactly what I am talking about. So we're gonna go over to Google and we're gonna go to pattern SVG. You can make a generator free. Let's see. For the sake of time, we're gonna do ooh, I like hero patterns. These ones are good. These are all purple, but that's okay. I like the jigsaw puzzles. Let's do hot pink, because why not? Right? Why not? Choose. Same thing. Hot pink. Why not? Whoa, maybe a little too hot pink. Choose. Download. And then we're going to go over here. We're going to go to upload. And I don't remember what that was called, but it should be under reasons. Or not. What did it go? Jigsaw. Zip. Always write down or remember what you name these things, because I am terrible. All right, EFGHIJ, jigsaw, zip. So it's not going to work just yet. So you have to make sure that if it's a zipped file, you open the zipped file first. Then you go back over to your design space, wherever that may have went. There we go. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. All right, there we go. So I've got that. Oh, it's not gonna work. Oh, this is gonna be a pain in my booty. You guys get the gist of this, right? Oh, see, there we go. All right, upload a pattern. How fun is this? I just picked a random picture. I'm not gonna select any of this because I don't want to, but this is where you would name your pattern if you want to change it. You can add any themes if you want. You can add styles. You can add colors. This will help you filter it later on when you go over to your file type or fill type. So for when you're done, you'll go over here to the bottom right hand corner, select save. It takes a minute. Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, it takes a good minute because it's creating a pattern for you that you can edit and finagle. It does take a little longer than your images do. Typically doesn't take this long though. Come on. Design Space has been being really wonky lately. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they're... We're going to go ahead and hit cancel because it's not working for me. Either way, once you complete that step, that pattern will be available here. And if you want to quickly find it, you can go over to filter and select any of the colors that you selected when you uploaded that image. So I had added the, says that it was uploaded, but it's not here. And like I said, it's being really weird. So I had uploaded this earlier in the week. So that pattern should be in there. Either way, that's how you add the pattern. You download the pattern and add it in. Once you've done that, it's accessible through here and you can filter through here. So it will be in any of these color options that you selected, and then you just scroll through. Oh, there it is. See? It just took like 5 minutes. Super delayed. And it's still being weird. There we go. Aw, look how cute that is. Okay, that really worked. I'm excited. So yeah, that's how you add it and you find it. Typically, your patterns that you upload are going to be here, the very first few that come up. So that, my friends, is the long-winded version of how to use patterns in Design Space, as well as download them in Design Space. I hope that you enjoyed this. Well, I know you did, but I hope that it was very, very useful for you and that it does help you in the future. If you have questions or if you still need some help, don't hesitate to drop me a comment. I'll get right back to you. Until next time, make sure you subscribe so that you can see my future videos, and we will see you later. Have a fantastic one.